Are you looking for the best pot racks? Pot racks and pan organizers matter because they unlock vertical storage, reduce cabinet clutter, and protect cookware from impacts and scratches. A well-designed rack can improve accessibility, kitchen workflow, and long-term durability of pots, pans, lids, and lids. In this test, I evaluated 5 products across price, build quality, load capacity, installation flexibility, and real-world usability.
Product number 1, Ordora Pots Overview. Ordora's 8-tier under-cabinet pan organizer is designed to maximize vertical space with an elevated 20.8-inch height. It accommodates large stock pots and heavy cookware up to 12 inches in diameter and claims a robust 120-pound total shelf weight capacity, with each tier rated at up to 15 pounds. The design uses 4 doubled Eagle Co prongs and a counterweight frame for stability, and it offers adjustable dividers to customize compartments. Installation can be done in minutes with basic plugs, and the unit supports 2 mounting orientations, countertop or cabinet or countertop floor, providing 2-way DIY flexibility. The Pot Guard curve design is intended to cradle pots and protect surfaces from scratches. Performance-wise, this Ordora model emphasizes stability and space efficiency over sheer visual appeal. The 8-tier arrangement supports a wide variety of cookware heights, which is ideal for households with a diverse cast iron and enamel pot collection. In practice, users report stable storage when the rack is properly anchored, though some assembly notes suggest alignment is critical to prevent wobble. With an emphasis on heavy cookware, the unit's weight distribution and anti-slip grips help prevent toppling.
Product number 2, Ordora Pots Overview. This Ordora model emphasizes modularity with 3 DIY mounting methods and adjustable height at 11.65 inches to 19 inches. It supports up to 12-inch pots, features anti-slip dividers with rubber covers, and includes multiple frame pieces to customize a double-sided vertical, single-sided vertical, or horizontal extension. The 8-tier design and under-cabinet mounting make it a compact option that emphasizes user-friendly setup and flexible configuration in smaller kitchens. Performance-wise, the key strength lies in its flexible mounting options and slip-resistant dividers, which help secure cookware during cooking. The 3-in-1 configuration reduces the need for tools and makes reconfiguration easy as pot collections evolve. However, the shelf weight capacity is listed at 10 pounds per shelf, which is notably lower per tier than some competing options, so heavier pots should be allocated to the bottom tiers. The product's overall footprint remains compact, making it a good match for narrow cabinets.
Product number 3, KES 34-inch Hanging Pot. Overview. KES offers a wall-mounted 2-tier pot rack with a 33.5-inch by 12-inch footprint and a strong 132-pound capacity, featuring 20 hooks and a solid wood support bar. The one-piece welded shelf design resists bending, and the 1.2-inch iron frame is stated to be 50% thicker than typical racks. The combination of rustic solid wood and matte black steel aims for both durability and visual appeal. Included hardware completes the mounting kit, and the unit ships with a 1-year warranty. Performance-wise, this model excels in load-bearing stability and horizontal storage efficiency. It's ideal for households with a range of pots, lids, and tall stock pots that benefit from wall display and easy reach while cooking. The sturdy construction and heavier frame help prevent sagging that plagues cheaper multi-piece racks. Potential drawbacks include wall space requirements and the need for solid wall studs to achieve.
Product number 4, BAMworld Plant Stand Indoor. Overview. BAMworld's 3-tier ladder-style plant stand is a wooden display piece designed to hold multiple pots in a decorative ladder arrangement. It's built from carbonized eucalyptus wood to improve moisture resistance and durability, and it boasts a no-tools assembly approach that emphasizes DIY-friendly setup. The 32 by 11.8 by 34-inch footprint supports a range of pot sizes, with a stated load capacity of up to 150 pounds. Performance-wise, this rack prioritizes display aesthetics and broad plant accommodation over heavy-duty pan storage. It's well-suited for households seeking a decorative, functional plant display in living rooms, patios, or balconies. However, as a plant stand rather than a metal kitchen rack, it may not be ideal for heavy cast iron pots or lids. Outdoor durability is decent due to carbonized wood, but outdoor lifespan may vary with weather exposure.
Product number 5. 5-pack decent metal plant overview. Lineplaz 5-pack provides a set of 5 metal plant stands with varying sizes to accommodate different pots. The set emphasizes a simple decorative iron design with anti-rust coating and floor-protecting pads. With a total load rating of up to 130 pounds per stand, these are positioned as sturdy, budget-conscious options for indoor and outdoor use. The package claims easy assembly and a versatile, space-efficient arrangement that can adapt to multiple room layouts. Performance-wise, these stands deliver straightforward, reliable support for a range of pot sizes, while offering strong corrosion resistance due to the anti-rust coating. The multi-size approach helps households tailor placements in corners or along walls. However, as a budget option, some buyers may notice lighter gauge metal compared to premium racks, and individual stands may require careful weight distribution to prevent tipping when used with very tall or